Do you think AI is going to replace a lot of teachers?
I think AI is going to dramatically change white-collar jobs, the way the Industrial Revolution changed blue-collar jobs. As teachers, we were isolated from the incredible turmoil of the Industrial Revolution. We're not isolated from the impact of AI. I think AI gives the illusion that you can type a question into a computer and an answer comes back that a student can learn from. I think that's the illusion, but I don't think it's the truth. If teaching is simply standing up in front of a classroom and being the sage on the stage, the voice of wisdom, you'll be replaced by AI. If teaching instead is enabling students to achieve the best they can possibly be, AI can't do that. AI can only copy. AI can only manufacture which has already been created. We are creative. Teaching is a creative enterprise. Teaching is a one-on-one connection between two people at not just an intellectual, but at an emotional level, getting them to realize who they are as a person, getting them to realize what they can achieve as a person, getting them to become the best they can be. That can't be AI.